Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you once again for tuning into my 2312th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Hello, traders. So here we are, Wednesday night into Thursday. Let me start off with this. Welcome to Las Vegas, Omni campers. You guys are coming into town tomorrow night. Listen, check into your rooms, get some sleep. We got a lot of work to do this week, okay? Class starts Friday morning, and we work all weekend through Monday. So welcome, and I will see you cats here on Friday morning. You get to Vegas Thursday, I'll see you here on Friday. Remember the risk involved in doing anything that I have written on this board, up, down, sideways. I don't care what you're trading, ETFs, options, commodities, you name it. I was going to say futures. Commodities, same thing. You know what? It's very risky if you get it wrong. And if you've been watching the last two videos, we called for the upside. Trade did not happen. We called for the downside. The trade did not happen. The last 2 days, the Omni, well, let me not say the Omni. My calls didn't work out, but we didn't lose a dime. We didn't trade the last 2 days because we are at that very interesting juncture on the E-mini S&P chart that I've been showing you. So instead of taking trades the last 2 days, I literally observed. My Omniacs didn't lose any money. And I've said this in many videos. It is not my job to look right in videos. I don't care if you guys hate me. As long as the Omniacs who know me well and hang out with me make money every month. My job's to make money and help you make money, not look right. I don't care how wrong I look, as long as we don't lose. So thank God we didn't lose anything this week. I think we had one trade that made money and then nothing else hit this week. So far, so good. But we will be looking to trade on Friday, and I'll explain it to you. So, Omni remains red. It has been red this entire last 5-6 days. It has never gone green. I called the BS on the down move and said we'd move up from that trend line in the last few videos. That wasn't Omni. Omni has maintained red since way up high, and it is still red. And for tomorrow, Thursday, it remains red. It did not go green just because we had an update on Wednesday. So Omni stays red. I am not arguing with Omni. I never do. We've had a decent week so far. We didn't lose. When we did trade, we won. And we do have something smart to look at for trading on Friday. For trading on Thursday. U.S. indices, very interesting juncture. We're still there. While Omni remains red, it has not given me a buy signal. I might have called BS, but that wasn't Omni. Remember that. Omni has maintained red this entire move. Second thing on the board, gold looks interesting too. Very nice chart. This is interesting, right? Indices. So is gold. Flags are flying at high mast, kids, and I'm going to show you those flags right now. Before I show you the flags, remember, subscribe to these videos and like and share them around the internet. Help me get some fans. Help me spread the word. Help me, help you, and others like you. And with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, in tonight's chart segment for trading on 9/16/2021, you're looking at the E-mini S&P, and guess what? The Omni arrow has remained red. Now, let me just explain what's happened these last couple of days. Omni has been red the entire time. It's never changed its complexion or direction. I decided I would make the call for the upside, even though the Omni was red, on this day, because it worked here. Upside did happen. It worked here. Upside showed up. And when I made the call here, the upside showed up. So I made the call, and it didn't happen. The next day, we went down instead of up. But I didn't put out any trades for my Omniacs, nor did I trade for myself. Same thing with today, Thursday. I expected the market to go lower. It actually held the line and went higher. But once again, I put out 0 trades for our Omniacs. So the video calls might have been wrong, but I kept us out of harm's way for the last 2 days. Thank the good Lord above. Us Omniacs just watched. So no matter which way it went, we didn't get ourselves in trouble. And I still have a red Omni for trading. So instead of trying to figure out with our money, which we haven't done for the last 2 days, if this is going to hold or not hold. It's like a gunfight here. This is dramatic as a soap opera. Why? The Omni's been red the whole way down. Here I call for a buy. It goes down anyway. The Omni stays red. It pops off the line. The Omni remains red. Pretty damn dramatic to me for day trading, So here's what I'm going to do instead. Let this craziness work itself out. We haven't traded the last 2 days, right? It didn't cost us anything to watch and observe. Let's do something else instead. Let's go here. Here's where I think we belong. And here's why. I've got a bear flag. The blue thing right here is considered a bear flag. If you don't know what that is, that formation is considered a bear flag. You've got a flag pole, quick down day. And then you've got a consolidation upwards that basically constitutes a bearish flag. So this is a bear flag, and I've got a red Omni for trading gold. So why not go after the gold trade instead? And that's where I think I'm going to go, and I'm going to let the indices work themselves out. So I haven't even looked at today's comments or anything of that nature because I'm assuming you guys have gone nuts on me out there because I called for the upside and it didn't go up, but we didn't trade anyway in the S&P. That doesn't matter. We haven't traded much at all this week, but I think we will trade gold on Friday. Join me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. And remember, kids, put your stops in and keep your emotional decisions out of trading. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.